With every heartbeat, a few milliliters of oxygen-rich blood is pumped into the circulatory system, thus supplying you with the energy to lead a healthy and active life. Reduced physical activity and unhealthy eating habits can trouble the seamless functioning of the heart. These habits contribute to a rise in bad cholesterol levels in the blood, which in turn could increase the chances of plaque formation in the blood vessels. This plaque could block the arteries and disturb normal blood flow, and thus increase the risk of various cardiovascular diseases. Which is why maintaining healthy blood cholesterol levels is extremely important for a hearty life. While regular exercise and proper nutrition are suggested for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, integrating the right eating habits into our busy lives is quite challenging. Herbalife Nutrition brings to you Beta Heart, an easy way to add heart-healthy food to your diet. Beta Heart contains oat beta-glucan, a form of soluble fiber that helps maintain blood cholesterol levels within normal range. Thus, oat beta-glucan present in Beta Heart is a healthy way to help support smooth functioning of the cardiovascular system. Each serving of Beta Heart contains 3 grams of oat beta-glucan. Mix the contents of 1 sachet with 250 milliliters of water or Formula 1 shake of your choice and consume once daily. Beta Heart is available in easy-to-carry single-serve sachets and comes in natural vanilla flavor. It contains no added sugar, preservatives, color or artificial sweeteners. Turn your world around with Beta Heart for active days ahead. Make Beta Heart a partner to heart-healthy diet and lifestyle.